Welcome back to my closet.
My mom, Kathy, called me this morning and said that you were switching around your wardrobe.
Yes, from summer to winter, and I've come across a few things that I no longer want. I was going through my clothes and I said, yeah, come over and I'll show you what I'm gonna get rid of. Here we go. So I'm gonna move.
Maybe we can even find more. You never know.
Oh boy. Don't touch my clothes. Okay, so I'm gonna move these. These are all...
Those are keeps, or you're
I'm keeping these. These are summer. I went through summer already, and
oh, okay.
So this it's
so
mainly...
we're going through winter then.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay.
I don't know why I thought we were going through summer.
I'm just gonna move it all the way to the back here. So I'll start with the going out clothes. I've had these two blouses, same thing. One's brown, one's gray, for at least 15 years. I'm going to get rid of the brown one because with my gray hair it doesn't look as good. Plus I haven't worn these probably for 10 years. Do you remember those?
I don't even remember those.
No.
But I do have to say, the little rhinestoney things, it's just you.
I know.
It's always, she loves the rhinestones.
So I'll keep one.
It screams your style.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, so that's a good one.
Yeah,
so you found that the brown is something you just don't like.
I am always attracted to color, texture, and quirky designs when I'm shopping. Yeah. It's not a good idea to do that. This one I've worn before, but I just put it on and it's very see-through. It doesn't feel good. I liked the texture at first, but now I don't. And I haven't worn it for
okay, but
months.
I do think you did get good use out of this. Because I remember you wearing it a lot.
I wore it, but I usually keep things for 10 years.
Yeah.
This is gonna go. This is probably 2 years old, so.
And what do you think went wrong when you bought this?
I think it was deceiving me when I bought it off the rack. I thought it was going to be more sweatery, and it's very see-through. It's very thin, so I'd have to wear a tank under it, tank top, and then the tank, it would cling up on the tank. It was just uncomfortable.
Yeah. And it's probably too hot for summer, but too cold for winter.
Right.
And we live in Southern California. It doesn't vary a lot, but you do still need to have warmer things, slightly warmer in the winter.
And then this, let's see. What do you think?
Well, you'll never be found.
This speaks for itself. I don't know what I was thinking. It must have been on sale and I thought, ah, yes, but it doesn't fit right. They make them so low cut that
you're just more into the higher neck.
I like more of a crew neck.
Yeah.
So anyways,
the good thing about finding the things that don't work for you, I feel it just helps you in the future when you go shopping to not repeat the same problem over and over.
So those two are gonna go.
Okay, and this one.
And that one.
So we got 3.
And then also I put this on today and it's kind of the same shape as the spotty one. It's really low cut and then it's kind of long and it's overwhelming. It just doesn't look good. I've put this on and taken it off so many times, so I don't even want to be tempted with it anymore.
Yeah, and that's one thing I always say, which I'm sure if you've been around on this channel for a while, that anytime I put something on and I feel for any reason I don't like it and I take it off, instead of hanging it back up, I always just put it right in the decluttering bin. Because I think to myself, if there was a reason why I didn't want to wear it, uncomfortable, doesn't fit, there's no need to keep it. Yeah,
and I've worn this a few times and I was uncomfortable the whole time. I always have to go like this because cleavage, and let me see, what else do I have in here? Now these two prints, it's funny, I like these. I don't know why, I like the colors. I think maybe because they have more of a white background. So I did find this blouse in my dressy stuff and I thought, I don't know why I never wear it. It's actually, I put it on and it actually fits really cute. So I'm moving it up and I'm gonna keep it in my everyday stuff because it's really not dressy, it's just a blouse.
Yeah.
But I really
for winter with maybe black pants or something.
Just put a vest.
That's another thing I can point out. Another tip just popped in my head, which is we've been through this before, this conversation, don't save your special clothes for a special occasion. Just wear them all the time. Like this dress, for instance, I wore this in one of my most recent videos and I had so many nice comments saying, oh, I love that dress, it's so cute. And I had been saving this for like a special occasion and now I'm thinking, you know what, I'm gonna just start wearing it. There's no reason to save it. So 4 items here.
I recently went out, I don't go out very often, but I wore some black slacks and I had 2 pairs of kind of wide legs And this one pair, every time I put them on, I take them off and I don't wear them. I only wear the other one. So I'm gonna get rid of this one.
Okay.
And then these pants, I have the same one on. They're little, I don't know, stretchy blue pants. But I'm wearing a 14, that fits good. This is a 16. Every time I wear it, it would fall off just about. But I don't know why I kept it forever. I don't know. I think because I bought them, so I thought I'm going to keep them. So I'm just going to get rid of them.
I think it's just best to keep what truly fits in the moment and then get rid of everything else. I've recently done that with clothes that didn't fit, that were a little too small. And I kept thinking, oh, I'm going to keep them, I'm going to keep them, keep them. And you know what? I decided it kind of ruins your self-esteem to have clothes that don't fit.
Right. And so these I love, but I don't wear heels anymore, even though it's a pant shoe. This is gonna go. Someone will like these. These are.
What do you wear those with?
Pants. They're, you know, they're probably.
You don't think you'll wear them anymore, or
no.
they're uncomfortable?
I won't wear shoes this high heel anymore.
Oh, okay.
It hurts my feet. So these are gonna go. I think I wore them one time to one event. And I put them on now and they hurt, and I remember them hurting across my toes. So these are going. These I bought. These are like fake Uggs. I cannot get my foot into these. Fugs.
That just popped in my head, you know.
Fake Uggs. I think we talked about decluttering these before, and
I've worn those before.
I know. I have too.
It's been I borrowed those a few years ago.
Well, you can have them if you want.
Oh,
they're
boy.
naturalizer boots.
Let me stick a foot in here and see. These are falling apart.
Oh, get rid of them. It's so hot in this closet.
It is hot.
God,
okay, so we have 6 items.
Okay.
I also want to mention that if you need some extra inspiration and guidance to get started decluttering, I have an ebook all about the decluttering process I use to get rid of all the things that I no longer need. So I will link that in the description box down below. I'm also adding a 2024 planner onto that right now. So you can get all of that and the information about it down below in the description box. The other thing that my mom mentioned to me is scarves.
Yes, I've decided to go through scarves.
How often do you wear scarves?
Never. Because that's what us seniors do. We wear scarves. I'm gonna start wearing scarves.
I want to just say something really quick.
What?
Because I hang out with you all the time.
Yes.
You always say that you're hot though, and then the scarf is like too much.
It is, and I'm very hot right now.
So if you hear air blowing in the background, it's because we've put the little air blower thing on.
I'll turn it off in a minute.
Okay, so let's find the scarves.
I have 2 boxes of scarves that I never wear. Was looking through them, that's why. Anyways, we'll go through that one first. These are the ones that are gonna go.
All of them? The whole box?
No.
Oh.
Just some of them. That one's gonna go. We found this at a garage sale, remember?
This looks familiar, but I don't remember where.
It's a garage sale. Actually, I think it's one of those that we looked up and we could actually sell it.
It could go with the shirt you have on now, since you said you're gonna start wearing scarves.
I could try it. This is
vintage,
a top hit fashion, SAR and beards. I think we looked it up before.
Yeah.
How do I look in a scarf? I'll just get my
I mean, like that.
Car.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah. I'm dying. Okay. So that one's going.
A lot of them, you know, like this is to keep you warm.
Yeah.
But then there's other ones that are more decorative.
To keep you looking like a clown. And
exactly. I think scarves have their place, but they have to be very specific with a certain outfit, and they don't look good with just anything.
I see women who look great in scarves, and I'm always so impressed. And I want to wear them. It just doesn't work.
Who was the lady on the news that was always had a scarf? She was known for the scarves.
I'm going to give away this turquoise one because I kept a beige one and a gray one. So I don't need this. Okay, that's it. I'm keeping the rest of these. I've organized it. These are ones I do wear. I got that in Hawaii. I'm going to start wearing it because I found a blouse to wear with this. It's cute.
I also feel if we lived in another climate, we would probably wear scarves more.
Yeah, this is cute. I'm gonna make it a point to start wearing scarves. They add color, and they also cover up all this neck stuff going on. I don't know what that's all about, but that's the purple one. Was I gonna keep that?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I don't think
it's down there. It's bright.
Yeah, I'm not a purple person. I'm more of a turquoise person. I don't know. I'll probably give this one away too.
Maybe we should just look through this whole bin.
is, oh, I'm gonna get rid of this. This is funny.
We wouldn't have even known to get rid of that if we hadn't gone through the bin.
I know.
Okay.
I forgot about it.
So I'm glad we went through the bin.
Good thing you went through the bin. Okay, this, there was a time in the 1990s where beads were in. This is a beaded
shawl.
Yeah, like a shawl, like a collar type thing you put on a dress.
That's pretty though. If you had a strapless dress.
Oh, I wear that often.
Not for you.
No.
I'm saying in general. Back when you were younger, when you dressed up and stuff, if you had a strapless, say, velvet dress, black, and then you put this over your shoulders.
That's what I did. I had a.
So it's actually pretty, but I get that you don't need it anymore.
I don't. You might want it. We have those belly dancing skirts.
I have to say though, in my everyday life right now, I don't even have the ability to go to an event like that.
Yeah.
You know, some people go to these events, but I just don't. So we're keeping all these.
Yes. The last time I decluttered all those bras, I saved the ones I was using, but then I found, this is not an ad, I found the Spanx bra. It's a minimizer and I love it. So I have 3 black and 3 beige. That's what I use. But I kept backups of these just in case I didn't like the Spanx. And I have 2 I'm keeping, just in case. You know me, just in case. And then I just was going through my drawers and I have a pair of legging type things that, you know, they can go. I've got other ones. These can go, someone will use them.
And it's good to declutter things like that if you know you don't need it before the season so other people can find it at the thrift stores.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. And then you had winter pants.
So it was so funny because last winter there was so much snow in the mountains and I ran out and bought.
We never made it.
I know. I ordered some and I got a pair of just winter pants, snow pants, and then they closed the mountains because there was so much snow you couldn't even get up there.
Yeah. People got trapped up there.
Yeah, they were trapped. That's right.
Yeah. So we never made it.
So I bought the pants. I put them away, and then I totally forgot I bought them. And then I was in Costco a couple weeks ago and I said, oh, I need snow pants because we're going to go again pretty soon. Yeah. So I bought a pair of men's snow pants because they didn't have any ladies. And
there might not be snow when we go. We're not sure, but it will be freezing cold.
Yeah, it'll be cold. I'll definitely wear them. Okay. I pulled out the ones I bought last year and then I was looking up in my closet. I go, what is that up there? And I see these up there that I just bought. So I'm going to take back the most recent ones to Costco and keep the first ones.
You still have the tags on them and everything. Never been worn. So
no. Yeah, I'll just take them back.
Those.
But it's funny, you put stuff away and then forget that you even have it.
That's a really good benefit of decluttering is then you at least have a better idea of what you do have.
Yes.
It really helps with that.
Yeah, it feels good. I feel like I know what I have, everything. There's no mysteries. Because yesterday, I just kind of dug through everything. Yeah. So I know everything I have.
What made you contact me today and just decide to get rid of more?
Well, I've been looking at things. Well, I was trying clothes on and I just thought, oh, I don't want to keep putting this blouse in there. And then I started thinking about everything else. And when I was looking through stuff to go to the mountains, I noticed things I thought I probably have quite a few things to get rid of. And then it led me to the scarves and one thing led to another, you know, a lot more here than I expected.
I'm shocked, as I always say, because when you called me, you said, oh, I only have a few items, a few t-shirts, a few things, and this is a lot in my opinion, because you've already decluttered so much. So.
Nothing here I will miss, not a thing. I find with getting rid of a lot of things, I'm able to condense things into like a drawer that might have been 3 different drawers. It's now in 1 drawer and you know, stuff like that.
So it helps you organize too.
Organize. I see what I have. Hey, we're in the closet again. The battery's dead.
Oh, crying out loud.
Did you bring one?
Why don't we crouch down and we'll pop up and be like, we're decluttering today. Okay, ready?
Ow! My back got stuck on the hangers. Okay, start over. We're decluttering the closet again.
Oh, I'm filming on accident. Hold on. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you want to see everything that my parents have decluttered over the last few years, you can click right here. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.